So you just got your brand new Canon TR4722 printer and you want to connect it to Wi-Fi network but not sure how to do this? Don't worry at all. I'm gonna walk you through the entire Wi-Fi setup process step by step using your smartphone and the Canon Print app. So just grab your phone, stick with me and follow along. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. First, head over to your printer's control panel and hit the Setup button. In the Setup menu, go ahead and select Wi-Fi Setup. Under that option, choose Easy WL Connect. Your printer will now prompt you to follow the instruction on your smartphone. That's where the Canon Print app comes in. Grab your smartphone and download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app from your App Store. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll see a license agreement. Read through it quickly and tap on Agree. After that, you'll see a service information screen pop up. Go ahead and tap on Agree. Make sure you allow the app access to any permission it asks for. This helps the app communicate with your printer. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. When you see a pop-up that says Search for available printer, tap on Search and let the app scan for printer. If it doesn't find your printer right away, no worries. Just tap on If printer cannot be found and the app will try another method. You'll get another pop-up asking you to connect your smartphone directly to your printer's Wi-Fi network. When you see that, tap on OK. Now your phone will show a notification that says printer wants to join Wi-Fi network. Tap on Join to allow the printer to connect. Finally, one last pop-up will appear asking if you want to connect your home Wi-Fi network. Tap on Yes and you're all done. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.